Hi, this is an arm, shoulder, neck tendonitis exercise video. Basically, this video will consist of 3 phases, and as you progress through each phase, hopefully your tendonitis will be improved by quite a bit. So basically, phase 1 is called the closed armpit for daily tasks. And basically what I mean by closed armpit is whenever you're lifting objects or whenever you're reaching for objects, always ensure that the armpit area here is in a closed position. Do not open it, because this way you're actually irritating the tendon and the muscles that continue from your arm up to your shoulder up and then to your neck. So basically close the armpit, for example, when you're shaking hands, or when you're lifting objects, or when you're basically reaching out for objects. Never ever overextend. So do not overextend your arm. Always keep the armpit in a closed position. And you will realize as you do this, there's a lot more strength in the whole arm, shoulder, and neck area. And actually there would be very little to no pain. Okay, so basically that's for handshaking. Other daily tasks include eating. The same thing applies when you're eating. For example, when you're eating with chopsticks, and you're picking up food from the table, do not overextend and do not open the armpit area. Keep it closed and use your chopsticks, fork, or whatever to pick up your food this way, and that way you will not irritate the tendon. Another task would include driving a vehicle, for example. As you're driving, avoid the 1 o'clock position on the steering wheel. So what you should do is basically do the 1/4-3 position and rest your elbows on the armrests available. That way it takes less tension and stress off the tendons and the muscles, especially around the shoulder and neck area. When writing, for example, ensure that the whole arm and elbow is flat on the table as you write. This reduces the stress once again to the tendon and in the arm, shoulder, and neck areas. Okay, do the same when using the computer. Okay, ensure that your elbows are rested on the tabletop when you're typing or when you're using the computer mouse. Okay, shaving is another very common daily task. When you're shaving, for example, do not elevate the elbows and do not open the armpit area when shaving. Instead, if you're using a hand razor, shave downwards, but always ensure that the elbow is downwards towards the floor. So this way. And basically, once again, you're keeping the armpit area closed. Phase 2 of this video consists of gentle, slow muscle and tendon stretching exercises. Perform these exercises at a very slow pace. Do not rush through them. This way, you will not damage your tendons or muscles further. Okay, and the reason for these exercises is to increase the flexibility and to improve muscle strength. So basically, the first set of exercises consists of keeping the armpit area closed, and basically just squeezing your hands into a fist and relaxing, while at the same time breathing. Remember never to hold your breath during these exercises to avoid internal damage. Okay, if you do, say, a set of 10 or 20 of these, which would be suffice. Once again, the second set of exercises basically consists of alternating the arms back and forth, but at a slow pace, with the armpit area closed, and squeezing your fists while you're doing these exercises. Okay, so if you do a set of 10, that would be enough for this. And then you can continue to the next set of exercises, which basically just includes relaxing the arms and the muscles. So just shake it off slowly while raising your arms in front and lowering them to your side. Remember once again to continue breathing. Okay, so the next set of exercises basically is to loosen up the joint areas in your shoulders. Basically you can turn, but remember to keep this area in a closed position. Okay. Once again, do a set of 10. And then relax again by gently shaking everything, shaking your arms out. This part of the video is phase 3, which consists of lightweight conditioning. And the purpose of these exercises is to strengthen the muscles in the arms, shoulder, and neck. And basically by strengthening the muscles, you take the load off the tendons, and this gives the tendons a chance to heal themselves. Only do phase 3 exercises when you feel that you are able to do these exercises with no pain or discomfort. Basically, the first exercise I recommend is to use these exercise balls, which are 3 pounds each. But if 3 pounds is too heavy at this stage of your development, then please use lighter weights. Basically, all you have to do is, once again, keep the armpit area closed and breathe. And this will just strengthen your muscles. Do these exercises standing up. Do not do them sitting down. Ensure that your spine area and your legs are straight. And a round of 10 to 20 should be enough. Once again, I have to stress the importance of breathing normally. Okay, so that's the first type of exercise recommended in phase 3. Another exercise consists of basically just standing with your hands at the side and raising them slowly to the front chest area, but remember to keep the armpit area closed. Okay, so raise the balls to about shoulder length, turn your arms, and drop them back down. So once again, raise them up with the armpit area closed, turn, and drop them back to the side. So once again, a series of 10 should be enough. Okay, and that's all I'm going to recommend at this stage in terms of weight conditioning. But remember, phase 3 exercises can only be undertaken once you feel that you are able to do these exercises without pain or discomfort to yourself. Okay, this part of the video consists of suggestions that would make your everyday life a lot easier. Suggestion number 1 consists of trying to sleep with no pillow on a firm flat mattress on your back. And by doing this will relax the neck, shoulder, tendons, and muscles. Okay. My second suggestion is to sit on a firm sofa or chair and do not slouch when sitting. Ensure proper posture at all times. Okay, massages. Okay. Whenever you're going out for a massage, for example, only use the rubbing method of massage. Okay? Do not use the squeezing or chopping methods of massage, as these will cause more damage to the inflamed tendons. The next suggestion consists of soaking in a bathtub of warm water with Epsom salt. And this relaxes all the muscles and tendons in the body. If you can implement this routine into your lifestyle, things should work out for the better in the long run. After about 1 month, all this becomes very natural. You no longer have to remember to always keep the armpit area closed and do things a certain way, because after 28 days, a habit is formed. Okay, approximately 6 months after you commence these exercises, you will notice a significant improvement. But remember, continue to use the closed armpit method of exercise. If you do all this for approximately 9 months, you should be healed completely. But continue to do things as suggested just to avoid future relapses of tendonitis. So hopefully, if you follow this program of exercises and lifestyle changes, you will actually improve quite a bit. So good luck, and I'll talk to you later.